Hello. In this video, we're going to be using the law of sines to solve some triangles. So I have the law of sines listed up top here, and let's use that to solve our triangle. So the first thing I have that's able to find is angle C. We can simply do that by taking 180, take away 55, and 59. 59. And when we do that, we're left with 66. So we know that angle C is 66 degrees. Now let's set up the law of sines. So sine of 66 and its opposite side, those are the two that we know. Again, when we do the law of sines, we hunt for where we know an angle and its opposite side. So sine of 66 over 6. And then let's go ahead and find side A first. Side A across from angle A. So sine 55 over A. We do our cross multiply and divide, and A will end up equaling 6 times sine 55 divide sine 66. We put that in our calculator, we can round to the nearest tenth, and A is approximately 5.4. So we now have our second answer. We know A, and we know angle C. Let's find our last side. Again, we can start the same way. Sine of 66